Hey boo hey, it's your girl Java with another video. Hey boo hey, it's your girl Java with another video, and I am just over here eating some tacos. I had made me some tacos earlier and then I had to go run to the store, and now I'm back. So I reheated my tacos and I didn't put avocados on my tacos, so I'm about to do that now. Alright, so here is the avocado. I'm about to cut it open. Y'all, these avocados was on sale for 69 cents at the store, and I was like, oh, let me go ahead and get a bunch. I think I got like a good 7-8 avocados. We've been eating avocados a lot more than we usually do. Because we would buy like a few at a time, like maybe 2-3 at a time, and then end up not even using the third one. But lately them avocados been on point. We've been using the avocados more, and I'm really just cutting it and scooping it out with the knife. I'm not even like doing it in specific. This is how they looking with the avocados. Y'all, so I'm gonna cook dinner and we're gonna have some chocolate covered strawberries, but we're going to put together the chocolate covered strawberries. So I have a little warmer to warm up the chocolate, to melt the chocolate. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna cook for dinner. As I'm cooking it, I'm gonna cook steak, broccoli, mashed potatoes, and cornbread, and then our drinks, and then the chocolate covered strawberries. And as you can see, I have some braids in my hair. I braided my hair myself not too long ago. Like, it's been a minute since I braided my hair, so it actually didn't take that long. My hair has grown so much since I chopped it off. I'm actually happy with the results. I used this hair the last time I braided my hair, which was like a year ago. It was probably like 2 years ago, honestly. When I had got this hair, I had got like maybe like 8 or 10 packs of this hair because it was on sale for like a good like $2, and it came with 3 bundles of hair in 1 pack, and I was just like, okay. It wasn't the hair color that I wanted. It's like I had got 2 different colors. So the first color was like a mix of like blonde and brown tones, and then the other color, this is brown as well. This is the color 4, and my natural hair color is not this color at all. My natural hair color is more so black, so you can kind of like tell the difference between the braid and my natural hair color. But yeah, I definitely want to refresh like the perimeter, just so I can like wear the hairstyle in my hair for a little bit longer, and it still looks pretty good, especially on this side because you can't see the parts. It's a couple of more hairstyles I want to do with this hair. So I did my braids pretty long, and I normally like my individual braids, my box braids. I like them pretty long, but yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and pour me some of this wine, and I did say I was going to start cooking at a certain time just so it could be done. And the kids, they don't eat steak. Like, they'll eat like a steak quesadilla. I'm gonna put them some pizza in the oven and they'll be happy and fine with that. They actually ate not too long ago. They shouldn't be that hungry, but I'm gonna just go ahead and get started on the pizza so that way by the time they're hungry, I can go ahead and just give them the pizza. Or if I don't give them the pizza, I have the ground beef that I cooked earlier when I had made my tacos. So I had saved them some on the side because I was just like, let me save them some on the side just in case they want a quesadilla. If not, then they'll have the pizza. So they'll have both of those options, and then we're gonna eat the steak, broccoli, cornbread, and mashed potatoes. And yeah, we're gonna call it a night and have some family time. That's it, you guys. I will see you guys when I start cooking. So